In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working with titles or on-screen text in your project, adjusting the font size is one of the most basic but important edits you can make. Whether your text looks too small to read or too large for the frame, DaVinci Resolve makes it very simple to fix once you know where to look. I'm going to walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change quickly and get back to editing. To begin, go down to the bottom of DaVinci Resolve and click on the Edit tab. This is the area where you'll usually arrange clips, add titles, and make timeline-based changes. If you're not already in this section, switching to the Edit tab is the first thing you need to do, because that's where you can select your text directly from the timeline. Once you're in the Edit tab, find the text element you want to adjust and click on it to select it. Make sure you're selecting the actual text clip you want to modify, not another video or audio clip nearby on the timeline. When the correct text is selected, DaVinci Resolve will let you access the settings for that specific title. This is important because any changes you make next will only apply to the selected text clip. After selecting the text, move your attention to the top right area of the screen and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is where DaVinci Resolve shows the editable properties for the item you currently have selected. If you don't see the right options at first, double-check that your text clip is still highlighted in the timeline. From there, scroll down in the inspector until you find the font size setting. Once you see it, you can increase or decrease the size depending on what you need. You can usually drag the value or type in a new number depending on your preference. As you adjust it, keep an eye on the preview window so you can immediately see how the text looks on screen. That makes it much easier to find a size that feels balanced and readable. And that's it. That's how to change font size in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how professional and clear your text appears. If you're working with multiple text clips, just repeat the same process for each one, so your